Credo, are you the one opela album?
Everything is me speaking there. Everything.
There's a lot of voices there, though.
Well, my church, it's not like they from Portuguese, it's the French one, my mother's side. They flew all the way from there.
So you flew a choir?
Yes.
That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. The man takes his music so serious. He flew a choir all the way from Portugal, you say?
Between Portugal and France.
You flew... Credo, man, stories are Papa, man.
I'm so sorry, but... Hey.
Anyway, right to my Lord joining today. Nale Credo, we still have to have a conversation after this because Credo C, what would you like to say to your fans?
I just want to say, keep buying my album. It's on every platform. The CDs are also coming out next week.
The CDs?
Yes.
Papa, I said CD, man. I'll see you next week, same time, same place.
I hope I'm not performing here, please. Please, I cannot perform here, please. My choir is still in Portugal. I was not told. I was not told I'm going to perform here. It's still on this thing. You're going to cut that one out.
I can't say happy. Man.
Ladies and gentlemen, I actually have an argument with Credo C behind the scenes, and he still claims that he's the one who's singing on the song. So I had a bet with him. I said, I'm going to give you a chance. You're going to prove once and for all that you are this artist that you claimed you. Don't you want to hear Credo sing, guys? Make some noise for Credo C. All yours, my brother. Guys, when from now on, where's the music studio, and then have a book when you are fully booked.
I was not going to do it right.
Hi. You know what, guys? Let's just continue, ne? Let's let them just have their chat and let's continue. Let's let our people that need to be absolutely flourished into a beautiful